Hello and welcome. My name is Stephanie and I am the Everyday Sewist. And because I'm working on cutting up some more kits for my Box Kite blocks today, I thought I would show you how I use the easy angle ruler to cut all the half square triangles that I need for the blocks. Now the block pattern is in the Quiltmaker magazine from way back in 2014. It is a Bonnie Hunter pattern, and I am using the same method that she suggests in this article to cut my half square triangles. I really like the easy angle ruler. I find that it makes it nice and simple to cut however many I need from my strip set. And as you can see, I'm just going to layer my light on top of my dark or on top of my print. And I'm going to first make sure that I cut off that selvage edge, give myself a clean edge to work with. And because I'm using 2.5 inch strips, I am going to line up the bottom of the ruler with the bottom of the strip, and then the 2.5 inch mark should be right there, and it is. And then I cut my diagonal. And this is ready to sew. I've got 2 pieces that I don't have to match up in order to, and fiddle with in order to sew them together. To cut the next one, I flip the ruler over and line up my cut edge on the diagonal. I hang the little tiny black tip off the top, off the bottom, and then I line up the 2.5 inch line at the top of the strip. And I'm ready to cut. Let's do it again. I line up my cut edge and my bottom edge nice and neatly, and I'm ready to cut. And then I flip the ruler, which I think is where a lot of people maybe get a little bit confused with it. You just flip it over. The marking is still there for the 2.5 inch that I'm using. And I cut again, and I can go all the way down this strip, cutting as many as I need for my project. In this case, I need to cut 6 of them. So I hope that you'll give that method a try, especially if you're only needing to cut a few at a time. And let me know how it works out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.